flour is Caputo flour, 00. And then use the mozzarella fresh and tomato, San Marzano tomato. He said the oven is greased now 700. You go inside for 2 minutes and a half, the pizza is ready. Okay? $2 one.
Come on, you're having fun. Thank you.
Basil? Basil, fresh basil. Tony, I make a good pizza margherita, baked in the oven with almondine wood.
Oh my goodness, it looks so good.
Also with the fresh mozzarella, the flour, and the 00.
Oh my goodness, friends. Marono, look at this. It's a cosa special. That means it's a beautiful thing. It's special. Look, he took it right out of the oven. Everything fresh ingredients. I cannot wait to taste this. This is absolutely outstanding. Chef, from the very beginning, from the insalata to the ossobuco to the pizza, everything's been outstanding. Thank you so much.
Very good.
This is wonderful.
Please be back.
Ladies and gentlemen, IlCorso Restaurant, Palm Desert, California. Come in to see Chef Mario and the rest of his crew. You will not be disappointed.